The purpose of this video is to teach you some basic home maintenance for cleaning the video heads on your home VCR or video cassette recorder. Over time, you'll probably find that your VCR no longer delivers a good quality image, or you may actually find that it doesn't deliver an image at all, just a very snowy picture where nothing comes through. Remember, all the methods I describe here are done at your own risk, and you must make sure that your video recorder isn't in any way connected to the mains. Now, there's a few things what you're going to need to get before we begin. The first one is some videotape head cleaner. Here's one in a spray form that I often use because it's quite useful like that. Or you can also obtain, which is exactly the same product, isopropyl alcohol, which you can easily get from your local pharmacy. You will also need some chamois swabs or chamois sticks, which you can obtain online, which are just little sticks with chamois leather at each end, so there's no nasty little fibrous objects that can come off. They're ideal for cleaning video heads. At this point, never ever use cotton buds. The small fibres will come off and tangle themselves around the very delicate heads, and you'll probably just destroy your head. So never use cotton buds. Now here's a close-up of the video head drum. As you can, as I'm rotating it, you can see those little tiny square things at the equator, as it were. Now they are the video heads. This model is a stereo Nikon model, and it has 4 video heads, as you can see as I rotate the head drum. First thing to do is to load up our chamois stick with some tape head cleaner. Make sure it's nicely damp. Then we place the chamois stick on the head drum, like so, and we start to rotate the drum with our finger. And as you're rotating, you gently move the chamois stick up across to the top of the drum in a moving action. So as you're rotating, you're also moving the stick up. Here you can see it in close-up as well, and you'd be surprised how much dirt can actually come off onto your chamois stick, as you can see here. It's important to also clean the remainder of the videotape path, everything that the videotape actually touches. If you've had problems in the past with videotape becoming scrunched up, screwed up, then it may be because one of the rollers or levers has become sticky with dust, dirt, oxide or whatever. So it's important to clean these as well to make sure that the whole tape path is nice and clean. And of course, once everything's done, you can then put the cover back on your VCR, making sure that normal safety procedures are in place before you connect back to the mains, and you can then give it a go. Thank you very much for watching this video.